Today I wanted to talk about this flexible floor patch and leveler. We've used this upstairs on our subfloor and we're gonna use it again today. We're doing our kitchen renovation. I'll drop a link up here of that project, but we had part of our subfloor that was kind of bubbling. Under here is OSB, and then you have this underlayment on top, and it was kind of bubbling. I guess there was a water spill at some point. So we just cut out that part where it was kind of warped and put new underlayment wood in there. And as you can see, we have a little bit of a gap. We're gonna put Pergo on top of this, and it shouldn't be too bad, but we're just gonna go ahead and fill this little gap in around this underlayment wood real fast. This stuff works pretty good and gets you to a point where you don't have a huge gap anymore. So let's go ahead and apply this. We're just using a 4-inch putty knife. You could use a little bit larger to feather it out, depending on how big your gap is. Not that complicated, just get it in there, into the gap, and I think as long as you're under a 1/4 inch, it should dry relatively quick. You don't necessarily need to do this. I don't even think you'd notice it under on a laminate floor, but we're just gonna go ahead and do it. We already have this stuff here, so. Basically, patch for your drywall, but for your floor, and it works pretty darn good. Pretty simple. If this information helps you out at all, please drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel out as we grow. We post videos twice a week as we expand our homestead, and we'd love to grow with you. If your floors aren't level, you can also use this stuff to kind of feather it into the same exact height. So it works for that also.